Jason Whigham is a certified mortgage broker committed to assisting buyers and customers better understand all of their cost-effective financing options through higher openness and property buyer education throughout California. NMLS number 1448396. Call 916-413-3967 for more information. California DRE. California Dream for All program, 20% down payment assistance Carpinteria. The California Dream for All Homebuyer Help program uses certified first-time purchasers a quiet second loan for 20% deposit help. The Dream for All Mortgage and Support program is another way California is assisting property buyers get economical financing, increase homeownership, and develop generational wealth. Don't miss IT Spring 2023 will bring the Dream for All down payment plan. They anticipate the DFA program will assist 300 households due to Governor Newsom's $700 million spending plan decline. Complete this Homebuyer Help Prequal kind and choose Dream for Everyone in the loan program drop-down to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. The DFA Fund Property Buyer Support Program will be self-sustaining by means of shared equity returns and will not burden California taxpayers. Program benefits. Preventing PMI decreases regular monthly payments, PMI. Loan quantity lowers month-to-month payment. More deposit and lower payment boost purchasing power. No month-to-month secondary silent second support loan repayment. Homeowner pays back Dream for All Help loan when they sell, refinance, or transfer residential or commercial property. The homebuyer will pay back the deposit loan and a portion of the house appreciation upon sale, transfer, or refinance. What's shared appreciation? Shared appreciation, or shared equity, means that given that the California State Housing Finance Agency is investing, partnering, in your ability to purchase a house that will develop generational wealth, you will split or share a small portion of the home's worth boost when you offer, move ownership. Divided or shared appreciation. Your income determines how much gratitude the State Real Estate Authority gets when you sell or refinance. 80%/20% split equals borrowers with earnings 80% to 150% of the AMI preserve 80% of home appreciation. 75%/15% equals under 80% AMI customers. Keep 75% of house gratitude, almost anyone. Shared appreciation limit equals 5 times the primary loan quantity. A $500,000 purchase by a moderate income property owner after 5 years is shown listed below. Aspiration eligibility. Novice property buyers, those without a home after 3 years. 660 minimum. Debt-to-income limit, 45%. SFR/condo min/max CLTV, 70%/105%. No vacant cosigners. County income limit. CalHFA requires property buyer education. Required 1-year house warranty. CalPlus Zip and My Home Assistance are incompatible. Discover your options. Have similar queries? What about other property buyer assistance programs? Best Help Program? Which program pays the least? Which program will assist you get more? I do this. I help you decide and get pre-approved for the Property Buyer 8 program you select. Many lending institutions are unaware of or unable to use aid services. Most loan officers do not have the information, experience, and resources to answer these questions. Numerous will lie and say you're not eligible or attempt to make an assistance program appear terrible. Obtaining Dream for Everyone Help. Complete this Down Payment Help Prequal form to get pre-approved for the very best home loan or homebuyer assistance program. They expect the DFA program will help 200-300 households due to Governor Newsom's $700 million budget decline. Fill out this Homebuyer Help Prequal kind and select Dream for Everyone in the loan program dropdown to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. The majority of lenders are uninformed of or not able to use aid services. Many loan officers do not have the info, experience, and resources to address these questions. Many will lie and say you're not qualified or attempt to make an assistance program appear horrible. California Dream for All Program, 20% Down Payment Assistance Carpinteria, by Sell Property Properties with Jennifer Whigham. Call Jennifer at 916-370-6584 to get help with negotiations, documentation, and closing the deal. Work along with your effective regional leading realtor.